Lesson 9 involves error handling and debugging. And so you make sure you kind of work through the chapter 10 lecture. There are interactive exercises, and there's a lot of videos for you to watch. And since most of you could use a little help on the error handling front, looking through this is definitely going to help you. Once you finish with that, you're going to go into the programming assignment, and you're going to have to do a couple of error handling exercises where you incorporate try, catch, and throw. And then there's a Canvas tutorial you're going to walk through. In addition, if you do not have a GitHub account, you are going to need to create one. If you have a Git account, you're going to go out and create a final project repository. And then you are going to upload basically your first milestone to the repository. Okay, and there are directions here in how to do that. Then once you're done, you're going to put a link in the Dropbox to the repository so I can look to make sure that you put your final project in it. Then, because this is all about error handling and problem solving, I have a problem solving assignment. So you are going to pick one of these. And there are similar issues with the various files. You only need to pick one. You're going to download it, unzip it, view the page offline. You're going to correct the errors. And then I want you to transfer the file and any additional folders to your website. This should all go in your Lesson 9 folder. Okay, and then you're going to come in here and you're going to add done to the Dropbox. Once you do that, you will be able to access the class discussion. Okay, and this is a problem solving discussion. You can't get in here until you do the assignment. So downloading, going into the submission section, entering done is going to allow you to get into the discussion. And in the discussion, see, I can't even select this. I'm in student view right now. So going into the discussion, you're basically going to be posting or sharing with your classmates what problem you downloaded, and then what issues you found in the file and how you fixed it. Okay, that's basically what you're going to be sharing with people. You're also going to be sharing what you found difficult or easy about the exercise. Okay, and then you'll reply to a couple other people. But you're only going to be able to do this after you actually download and solve the problem. And it's critical that you come in here to add submission and submit done, because it's not going to let you into the discussion unless you've completed that activity. Okay, and here's basically what you're being asked to do. Then there is extra credit for Unit Quiz 2 up to 12 points. And again, this is restricted. You can't get the extra credit unless you actually took the quiz. So submitting the quiz will give you access to the extra credit. Then you should be working on milestone 2 and the mini showcase for that. That is not due until November 3rd, but you do not want to wait until the weekend of November 3rd to get started on that. Okay, milestone 2 involves having one of your games fully completed and then having a second one about halfway done. Okay, and you'll be updating your PowerPoint with information on the game that's completed and also the one that you're working on. Again, the question and answer forum, if you have any problems that you'd like to share with the class, you can post to it. What I've been doing, if I run into a question a student has or a problem that I think the rest of you would benefit from, I'm actually adding it to the question and answer forum. Okay, so you should get that through the email, but you may want to check to see if there's anything posted if you run into problems. If you have any questions or problems, please let me know. I am more than willing to help you in any way I can. And now that we are getting into some more advanced topics, sometimes the easiest way for me to help you is to make a video and send it to you. Okay, so don't be afraid to ask for help. Make sure you have your files posted online.